Welcome back to my channel. My name's Serena and this is
Tatiana.
and we're unboxing our June Boxyluxe from Boxycharm.
Yep.
Boxycharm is a monthly subscription box that you get each month for $21. And every quarter, every 3 months, you can get the Boxyluxe if you upgrade, which is $28 more. So for $49.99, you can get the Boxyluxe every 3 months. So, you ready to see what we got in our Boxyluxe this month?
Yep.
Alright, let's get into it. Here we go. Oh, there's the card. So, this month's is Getaway. And it comes with a card that gives you a description about each product. So,
yep.
I'm going to read the card and you can pull out the items, okay?
Okay.
Sound like a winner? Here. Take the box. Okay. What's the first thing in the box?
Yeah.
Okay. And this is the... Turn it around. This is the Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast. Make some room on your vanity for your new Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast. This styling spray creates instant volume and texture that's almost as light as air for big lasting results on dry hair. It offers UV protection, is silicone free, and safe for colored and chemical treated hair. And this retails for $29.
Yep.
You want to give it a try?
Yep.
Alright, let's see how it goes. Ooh. Do you feel volumey?
That's good.
Smells really good though, huh?
Yep.
Alright,
Next.
what you got next?
Put this on the side.
Yeah. This is Dr. Brandt's Clean Vitonic pH Balanced Yogurt Cleanser. With something I cannot read. Powered by the Botanic Balancing Complex. This prebiotic multitasking cleansing yogurt melts away. Wow, really? Daddy. Yay. Sorry, this yogurt melts away grime, makeup, and excess oil for skin that is hydrated and never stripped. Let the plants do the dirty work. And this retails for $35.
Yep. Let's try it on.
And looks, oh, that light is fierce, isn't it? Looks like this. Good to see it. There we go. Ours came a little dirty. It looks like something black was rubbed against it. Huh.
That was this.
Oh, the box. It must have been pressed up against the box. And the heat.
Yeah. Let's try this one.
You're going to put facial cleanser on?
Why?
I mean, it's to clean off makeup. We don't have any makeup on yet.
Oh, yeah. Then put that aside.
Okay.
Let me see the next one.
What you got next? This is, ooh, that's nice packaging right there. This is Touch and Soul No Problem Prime Essence. Let your makeup stay a while with your new Touch and Soul No Problem Primer Essence. Infused with flower extracts. This primer tightens up your pores, keeps your skin silky smooth, and retails for $23.
$23.
Let's take it out of the package and see what it looks like.
Yeah.
$23. Ooh, look at that.
Look at this. Let's open it.
Okay. Finger?
What's
Oh.
here? Ooh.
Like it goes.
What, on your eyelashes?
No, on your face. This is primer. It goes on before you put on your foundation.
Next is going to be what? I think cool.
Feels oily to start with, but it seems to be sinking in.
Yeah.
Does yours feel oily?
Yeah, I think I
Does it feel tacky?
Yeah.
Like sticky? Your face look a little sticky? You don't need no more? Okay. What you got next in that box? And this is the, turn it sideways so they can see the label. And this is the Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade Lip Gloss. Add hydrating shine and fullness to your lips with a lightweight, non-sticky balm, like Lemonade Lip Gloss by Dominique Cosmetics. The sheer gloss is long-lasting and flexible, so you can wear it alone or layered on top of your favorite lipstick, and this retails for $17.
Let's see how it looks.
Let's see how it looks.
On
your lips.
On your lips.
Get it out of the box. Ta-da! Ooh, and this is the strawberry lemonade one.
Let's see how can I put on your
My what? Can you put it on my meow meow? Sure. How does it smell?
It's so good.
Does it? I smell. Please don't stick it out my nose. Mmm, that smells good. Alright. Let's see how it looks.
Ooh, look at them in the camera, Mom.
You gotta put it all over the lips. All over the lips. There you go. Top and bottom.
Okay, look. That's how it does.
Alright, my turn to do you. Alright. Make sure I get a good coat of it.
When it dries up, you're going to put another coat.
It's going to dry up? That's not encouraging. It feels a little... How does it feel?
Yeah.
Feels weird. Your lips are really shiny though. Look at that shine.
Let me find the next one.
What you got next in there? This. Okay. What you got next? This is the Tarteist Pro Glow Cheek Palette Volume 3. Meet your new everyday staple. This 6-shade Tarteist Pro Glow Cheek Palette Volume 3 formulated with Amazonian clay. Amazonian. There we go. Amazonian clay delivers streak and fade-free, flawless wear. Tap into the blush, highlighter, and bronzer shades for a sculpted, dimensional look. And this retails for $45.
Yep.
And we see that. Ooh, isn't that pretty?
Let me put it on me.
Hold on, let's let them get a look at that. Oh.
You're doing a video, you can't worry about the rabbit.
Okay, you want to trust not on your finger. Let's get you a good clean brush. And what do you want to try? The highlighter or the blush? The blush. Let's do a little bit of blush. We're gonna tap tap. Ooh, that's got
Let's
some
see how it goes.
pigmentation. Oh, tap tap tap. Let's do the other side. Ooh, pretty. All right, now let's flip the brush over to the other side and let's put on some
blush.
highlighter. That was blush we just put on. Now let's try some highlighter. Go to the top.
Kind of tickle.
Kind of tickles. What do you think? I want to try something.
Power
too.
off.
I want to do you.
We just lost our sound, didn't we?
Power off.
Yes, it did.
You didn't even say your battery was low. It just powered off.
Come on, let me do
I
that.
mean, all because
Let me do
there's
that.
no sound coming through your computer, so it automatically powers off.
Now here, I'll do it.
Did you get blush or highlighter?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. On the cheekbones.
Man, more than just what you got.
How do
Ooh,
you like it?
it's shiny. Look
Hey,
at that
what's
shine.
What's this?
This is bronzer. It's
What's
for bronzer is for sculpting and outlining the outside of your face. We don't need any of that. Where's the cover?
This is power. We don't kind of more voice like
We just have to speak up.
Should we take the
Okay, what's next in our box?
it's gonna be
Ooh.
on the back of the
And this is what is that? That is Skin and Company Truffle Therapy Radiant Dewy Mist. Truffle Therapy Radiant Dewy Mist is a hydrating mist formulated to soothe, protect, and illuminate the skin. Our glowing and inducing tonic is inspired by the Italian legend of St. John's water, a magical dew produced using flowers and herbs during the summer solstice. Ooh, enriched with an antioxidant-rich, soothing, detoxifying botanicals such as black winter truffle, rosemary, ginger, peppermint, and rose. This refreshing mist encourages a radiant complexion while rebalancing skin's pH level, tightening pores, and setting makeup. And this retails for $35.
Let's
Oh.
see.
Oh, I love the skin mist. Would you like some? Close your eyes. Okay.
That was the word. And next is in the
Shiny.
box.
What else is in the box? This is from Pharmacy. Honeymoon Glow AHA Resurfacing Night Serum. 30 milliliters. This Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow is a 3-in-1 night serum that resurfaces, hydrates, and clarifies dull skin while you sleep. Formulated with 14% AHA, BHA, dental flower acids blended, you'll get a youthful looking, smooth complexion as you look of pores, fine lines,
How do you open it?
and wrinkles as they are reduced. And this retails for $58.
Yep.
This is a beast to get into, isn't it?
Yeah. This one. This is for me next. That's for me.
Okay. This is what the bottle looks like.
It's shiny and golden, a little golden. And let's see how it looks on us.
This is a night serum. And you're too young to put something like this on your face. You don't got no wrinkles. You got perfect skin, sweetheart. No, you don't got no wrinkles. You're 5. Alright, what you got next? And this is the Good Vibes Mascara. Treat your lashes with the ultimate curling, lengthening, and voluming fun with your new Trestique Good Vibes Mascara. This all-in-one lash curler tool will bring your lashes to the next level. And it's fun. This retails for $25. It looks dark.
Don't do coloring.
And we have tried this before. She had some on and it smeared really bad
Yeah, when I want my
all over her face.
Yeah, I
So,
don't want to wear that no more. So.
If your kids are into makeup, this would not be something I would recommend you let your kids wear because it's not waterproof. It does smear and smudge. As far as the tool at the top, again, not a child item, product, any which way. And what's the last thing in our Boxy Charm for July's Boxyluxe?
This is the coolest thing.
The coolest thing? Well, what is the coolest thing?
It's the little hair dryer.
It's the PYT Mini Turbo on-the-go dryer.
Yeah.
Your new PYT Mini Turbo on-the-go dryer is powerful, portable, lightweight, and easy to use. Not only will it decrease drying time, but it reduces frizz and locks in moisture. Whether you're revamping your hairstyle after work or at the gym, your new little travel companion will only be at arm's length away. And this retails for $85.
Yeah.
Let's see what color we got.
Let's see. Pink.
I think this is more like please don't tell me that's pink. It's a coral, that coral color, like the orange coral color looking one. That light is tremendous. It comes with 2 speeds, low and high, and it also comes with a diffuser. It comes with 2 attachments, a diffuser, and when you want to straighten your hair, put that piece on there and you can just straighten it. You just hold it. I'm not going to hold that hair in the brush and straighten it right on out. This thing is strong too. It really blows, don't it? You remember when we turned it on?
Yes. It really blows.
Yeah, it really blows.
And
strong air. It really blows strong air.
When it's hot, never put your hand on it.
Yes.
It will burn your finger.
That's right. So you have to be careful and have an adult help you at all times.
Yes, always.
That's right. Well, guys, that's it for July. I'm sorry, for the June Boxyluxe. And our rabbit is trying to make his way into
his safe
safe
He's
zone.
trying to chew the
No, he's not. We kind of invaded his space, or I can't feel my foot. We kind of invaded what used to be his space. We kind of took it over.
Yeah, we kind of took it all over.
So,
that was.
Do you want to get in? Here he comes.
Here he comes, knocking all our things down.
Oh. There he is. Say hey, Confident.
Hey.
There he is. What's really going on? Y'all all in my space. Calm down. Don't jump into my makeup box. Don't jump in my makeup box.
He's trying to jump in his makeup box. This is a silly bunny. Never do this at home. If you got a bunny. Never do that at home if you got a bunny.
He's definitely scared of the dryer.
Yeah. He always runs away when we need to hold him when he gets blow dry.
We don't blow dry him, but when the dryer comes on, he freaks out a little bit, so.
Yeah. But we too got another box right up there. We're gonna show it.
That's the Boxyluxe from 3 months ago, sweetheart.
Can you use it?
No, really, it's too late for that. Anyway, we want to thank you for spending time with us.
Yep, on our video.
My name's Serena and this is Tatiana. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up.
And subscribe.
Subscribe down below if you want to see more videos with me and Tatiana. Thanks for being here. We love you. May you be blessed. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.